Friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Radial Studio, Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, and today I am here with another video tutorial in Revit Architecture. And today I am going to discuss more in modify tools which we continued in our last video tutorial. And today I am going to discuss about array command, which is located in your modify panel in ribbon, and you can simply click on modify tools and you can select your modify tools like array or offset, copy, rotate, etc. And today I am going to discuss about array, this one. And I have selected one conference room, and we'll place these chairs around this conference area and this table with the help of array. So array command is basically used to copy things at a faster pace, and instead of copying each one by one, you can select this array command. So there are two types of array. One is linear array, and next one is radial array. So if I am going to select this chair and I am going to select this array command, you can see these two symbols here. This is for selecting linear array, and this one is for radial array. So I'm going to start with linear array. So I'm going to copy these things around here in this wall, and I'm going to select this chair and I'm going to select this array command. Now this is modified panel here. This is for activating your temporary dimensions. If you want to see temporary dimensions, you can see this temporary dimensions, or simply you can turn it off. And I'm going to select this linear, and this is group and associates. I will if you uncheck this, I will tell you the difference, and this is for how many numbers you want to copy in with the help of array. So, and this is move to second and move to last, and this is constraint. So constraints is basically for moving in vertical or horizontal directions. So if you select this, you can move in only horizontally or vertically. So I'm going to discuss one by one. So I'm going to check this group and associates, and I'm going to make a copy and here 10 number of chairs, and this is move to second and move to last. So I'm going to select move to second. You have to give distance between two chairs. So I'm going to select this point here, and you can give simply move to, going to select 3 feet 4 inch, and I'm going to click this, and you can see n number of chairs is placed here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and this is group and associates. So what the benefit is that you can change the number here also if you want more chairs. So suppose I am going to place 14 chair here, and simply enter 14 and increase more 50, or you can reduce also. And so this is the group and associate. You can click anywhere and you can change your uh, linear array. So I'm going to select again this chair, and I'm going to copy this one here, and now I'm going to select again linear array, and I'm going to uncheck this, and I'm going to again give this number to 10, and I'm going to make it to last, move to last, and now I'm going to move to last here, and you can say between these two chairs has placed n number of chairs, and this is cannot change this because group and associates is unchecked. And again, if you go back and click this array, and if you check this group and associates, I'm going to move it to last, and you can simply change the number from here also. I'm going to place 10, place 10 and increase also. So this is the benefit of group and associates. So If you go to this chair and you select this, so this is the benefit of uh, linear array in group and associates. And if you want to use these constraints, you can move this chair vertically and in horizontal directions. And next is our radial array. So I am going to delete this one, and now we will use our this radial array. I am going to rotate this to some composition to this our round 12. So I want to make more chairs around here, so we will use our radial array. And so I'm going to select this chair and I'm going to array, and now I will select this radial array, and this is the same things, group and associates. And how many numbers? So I want 6 number of chairs, and this is move to second, so, and move to last, which we have understood in this linear array. So this is the same thing, so I am going to use this move to second. And now you can give angle also, and you can place the center of rotation. So center of rotation is chair itself. If you want to change this, you can simply use this center of rotation place, and you can change with reference of this table. So I'm going to select this. Now you can see the center of rotation is changed. Now I will go to select, and you can simply use this angle value here, or you can simply, I'm going to put 45 here. And now you can see 6 number of chair is placed and group and associates is selected. And simply change this number to 8, and you can see this 8 number of chairs is placed around this with the help of radial array. And you can simply click anywhere and change the number here, and make 4 also. And you can change this anyway, clicking this center of rotations. So this is the use of a radial array. So it is very useful in this Revit.